My name is Thanakon Chanamjit. Today I would like to read the passage on the paragraphs on my notebook, about 3 paragraphs. And this is my notebook. Okay, let's begin. Paragraph 1. The iguana lizards are split into two main groups. The first of these is known to scientists as the iguana and contains over 1,300 species, including iguanas, agamas, chameleons, anoles, swift lizards, lava lizards, basilis, and spiny lizards. The iguanas is an ancient group of the reptile dating back almost 100 million years. It is split to two smaller groups because agamas and chameleons have different teeth and live on different continents. Two iguanas and most of their relatives. Although some iguanas look like iguanas, this is because they have become alike as a result of having similar lifestyles, and not because they are closely related. Paragraph 2. Sensing the surroundings. Lizards have a variety of finely tuned organs to enable them to move around, locate and capture prey, avoid predators, and find a mate. Eyesight is an important sense for most lizards, but the sector of the retina, the back of the inside of the eyes, varies greatly. The retinas of giant living lizards are dominated by cells called cones, giving them detailed vision, while those of nocturnal species have far more light sensing rod cells, increasing their ability to see by moonlight. Lizards that are active and dusk and now have vertical pupils that close down to protect the sensitive retina from bright daylight. The living lizards may also possess detailed vision. Paragraph 3. The carnivores. Although the majority of lizards are either party or entirely carnivores, meat eating, even plant eating, lizards will occasionally eat insects. Many lizards are active predators, hunting down their prey and capturing it with a lightning dash. Some meat-eating lizards take advantage of wounded, sick, dying, or dead animals for an easy meal. Animals that feed like this are called scavengers. Many lizards have a strong sense of smell and are able to locate prey that is hidden or buried. Komodo dragons are able to smell prey from up to 4 kilometers away. Other monitor lizards and tigers are experts of finding the egg of turtle, crocodile, and other lizards. Thanks for watching. I wish you enjoy with my video. Okay, bye bye.